These are my simple syrup jalapenos, which are good on, oh gosh, everything, including in my lime jalapeno mocktail if you want to give that one a try. These are really easy to make. Let's get started. The simple syrup is so easy, just equal parts sugar and water. I mix it up in a little saucepan and then I let it come to a simmer, and while that's happening, I slice up my jalapenos. I use seeds and all, I don't mind the seeds in these, and stack them into a heat-proof jar with a tight-fitting lid. As soon as the simple syrup comes to a simmer, then you're going to pour it over those jalapenos, seal it up, and keep it in your fridge for a couple of weeks. These are awesome. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching Taylor Kitchen. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to this YouTube channel so that you're getting the absolute latest. And also sign up via our website or via the link in the comments below so that you're getting the latest from us, because very soon we're going to be launching some live cook together events for free, and we want you to be aware so that you can participate. Also, if you have any comments, suggestions, recommendations, please leave a comment in the link below or on any of our social media website. I would love to hear from you. I would love to chat with you and love to respond. So look for Instagram, Pinterest, all the other social media channels via the link in the comments below, and leave comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much.